Hello everyone, I'm back for another YouTube video, and this one is going to be yet another Mac tutorial. So today, it's not going to be as in-depth as the VO utility one was. That one's a bit long. It's about my usual video length, so nothing you guys aren't used to. But this one is going to be a lot shorter. This one is just going to be a single topic. I did not cover it in the VO utility video. I didn't cover this, and there was a reason why, and I wanted to show you how to add a keyboard command. This is a lot of blind people like these keyboard commands. You can basically map option key plus letters, capital letters, numbers, and symbols to any action. So opening an application, running an Apple script, there's a lot of options you can do. Lot of options. Even under there's lots of options. We'll get there. We'll showcase most of them, not all of them. So yeah, if you want to watch this and hang around and let me first let me
65% Macintosh HD volume.
lower this, and we'll turn you up just a little bit.
Macintosh HD volume.
We have our trusty MacBook Pro here. 24 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of storage. That's plenty for my workflow. Thank you for telling me there's actions. I actually thought somebody was knocking on my door here. I was like, wait, what the hell? Then I realized, oh, it was the actions. There was the actions available thing. If you're wondering what that was in the start of the episode. Let us go to the voiceover utility by hitting, you can hit VOF8, or in my case, I'm just going to hit Option V.
Voiceover utility window.
Okay, so
table, row 1 of 12, general.
We are on the categories table here. I'm just going to zip down to commands here. And I'm going to show you this principle applies to the trackpad and numpad. So I don't feel it's particularly relevant to show you the maybe I'll show you a trackpad gesture too. Maybe I'll showcase that as well, because I don't have a lot of trackpad gestures. I have a few. I showcased them at the end of the last tutorial. So let's go ahead.
Voiceover modifier. Control option or caps
So we
lock
went
voiceover
through all of
modifier.
this in the
Menu
last
button.
episode, the last tutorial, if you didn't see it.
Also control voiceover with numpad.
Numpad, I don't have a numpad,
button.
so I can't do
Also
that.
control voiceover both option keys with option key pop-up
So it
button.
tells you what option key.
Edit option
You can
key
edit
command
that if
button.
you like. Let's edit our option key commands. And I actually have a key command that I do want to add,
Both edit option key
as
commands button.
I was offline and I was wanting to open up voice memos, and I was wondering if I had a key command for it, and I do not. So let's add one.
Both edit option key commands button. Showing 31 of 5.
Okay, we're going to hit edit key commands, and it's showing, it's giving us the command set, the command list, the master list. We can, of course, filter our options if we realize we want to,
Currently filtering commands. Option keys menu button.
if we want to change the order, we can hit this menu here, open this up.
Everything. Inputs with every voiceover check mark up quick nav keys. Numpad key track with gestures.
We'll be doing that later. I'm gonna
Currently filtering commands.
get out of this,
Option keys
because this
menu
is what
button.
I actually want, the option keys. Now this is going to show you how to add them and how you remove them. I'll just explain it. So you go to the one you want to input, or you want to delete. Go to it. Let's say it was option G. Let's say I made option G a shortcut to open, I don't know, Chrome or whatever. Let's say I had Chrome, right? And that was there. And you'd have to navigate to the where it tells you option G. And if you're in table view, you can just right arrow until it says open application, blah, 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 Chrome. To remove it, stop interacting. Don't navigate in the list. Find the one that you want to remove. So option G. Stop interacting. Go to the remove button and hit and tap it. You just tap remove. And yeah, so that's how you do it. It's pretty simple to remove. So let's get into this. Let's not waste too much more time here. I've done enough explaining.
Column view radio button.
You can also organize in column view. I haven't had experience with column view. I guess I could test it out at some point.
Table view, command assignments, table.
Command assignments table. This is where you're going to go to change, modify, whatever, all your commands. So if you want to change a command, add one, you're going to have to interact with this table regardless. So let's go to add.
Add button. Command assignments table, row 1 of 32, edited. None menu button. None menu button, selected.
So as you can see, it is the focused keyboard command is none. So I will interact by hitting VO shift down arrow.
And command assignments table, row 1 of 32, edited. None
It
menu
says
button,
edited
none. Menu button,
none.
Selected, input, edited, comma. None menu
Selected.
button.
Okay, thank you.
Category, empty cell.
And category is empty because it's blank.
Command, none menu button.
Command none.
Category, input, edited, comma. None menu button.
So let's fill these out in order. So we'll hit space on this. It's going to open up a menu, a list. Okay, let's down arrow through the list.
None. Listen for key ellipsis command K. Option key submenu.
Option key, and it's a sub-menu. And all of these are sub-menus. So to expand the sub-menu, all you do is simply hit the right arrow. So this is option key is what I want, so I'll do that. I'll hit right arrow.
Option key submenu letters submenu.
Okay, and you have more submenus. So we have letters.
Letters with shift submenu. Numbers submenu. Symbols submenu.
And all of these are submenus. So if I wanted to expand any of these, I would just hit right arrow.
Letters submenu.
And it wrapped around to the top again.
Letters with shift submenu.
Letters with shift. So this is the one I actually want because option V opens voiceover utility, but option shift V is not taken. So let's navigate to that.
Letters with shift submenu option shift A.
And I'm gonna just cheat and go up through the list.
Option shift option shift option shift W.
Whoops, go up one more.
Option shift V.
It's easier to get there. That's the one I want. So option shift V. We'll hit VO space on that.
Edited. No action available menu button. No action available. Option shift V menu button.
Option shift V. So you hear it say
Category empty cell.
category is still empty because we haven't done any thing here. So let's
Command none. Menu
command
button.
none. Okay, so here we go. We have now here are our options.
General submenu.
General.
General submenu.
There's a ton of command. There's a ton of options. It's limitless.
Information submenu.
Information,
Navigation.
navigation.
Submenu. Text submenu.
So anything from moving up, moving right, left, up, down. There's so much options here.
Web submenu. Find submenu.
Finding, web,
Tables submenu.
tables,
Size and position.
size and
submenu.
position,
Audio submenu.
audio. That's where the audio ducking toggle is.
Braille submenu.
Braille, you can mess around with that too if you like.
Visuals submenu.
Visuals.
Speech submenu.
It has all kinds of stuff in here, so it's got all kinds of commands. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to show you how to have it open an app. Basically, if you want an option, all you do is expand one of these menus, like
Speech submenu.
this
Decrease
one.
Pitch. Pause or resume speaking. Decrease pitch. Decrease rate.
And all you do once you want one of these is just to click on it, a VO space, and you're done. All you have to do at that point would be stop interacting, go all the way over till you find done, and then hit done, and then you're done. Easy. Option key, a command added. Boom, done. But I want to show you how to use these option keys, and I use these mostly to open applications. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to collapse this menu here because this is not actually what I want. So we'll collapse it here.
Menu speech submenu.
Okay, speech. So we'll keep going down.
Hotspots submenu.
Hotspot. So that's another feature. I don't I haven't used hotspots. I've heard of them, though.
2D Braille submenu.
2D Braille.
Custom commands submenu.
Okay, custom commands. So here we are. I'll hit the right arrow here.
Custom commands submenu. Open application ellipsis.
And there's the option that we want. I'm not going to hit VO space because I want you to hear what other options there are.
Open utility ellipsis.
Open utility. So if you wanted to open terminal or voiceover utility or a disk utility or any of those, you would hit that to open those. Quite the tongue twister here. We'll keep going down through the menu.
Open file ellipsis.
Open a file, so you can even have option keys open up files too. So if you wanted it to, let's say like option Q would open up maybe like a quick note or something, open up a quick note reference file or so. I don't know. Whatever you find useful. So if you wanted to open up a specific file, you can have it do so.
Run Apple script ellipsis.
Run Apple script. You can have it run an Apple script. I know it's kind of a 2 words there. Any Apple scripts you have, you can run those. Or
run Automator workflow ellipsis.
Run Automator workflow. If you use Automator, you can do that.
Run shortcut ellipsis.
Run a shortcut, so you can assign a shortcut to an option key commander. Or a trackpad or numpad. I'm assuming it's the same. They all share from the same resource list.
Open application ellipsis.
Open application ellipsis.
Open application ellipsis.
So that's the one we want, and I will VO space on that.
Dialog open list view.
Okay, so now we are being thrown into a list view.
Sidebar table row 5 of 20 applications.
So you have your sidebar if you want to make some edits.
Back dim button forward dim
You
button.
have
List
some
menu
other
button.
buttons here.
Change the item grouping. Hold down option to change the sort. Menu button. Applications where. Pop-up
Yeah,
button.
so this is just your where you are
Change
and
list
stuff.
forward back. Sidebar list view
I'm
table.
going to go to the list view.
List view table name size kind date added.
And because my app starts with the letter V, I'm just going to hit the letter V on the keyboard. Okay, no, I'm not.
Visited link not found.
Oh, hold on. It's not working. Okay, never mind.
Name,
Okay,
size,
I'm gonna
kind,
have
name,
to.
Dummy, app application level 1 Visual Studio
Oh,
Code.
there we go.
App
It worked there.
application.
Okay, VS Code. Yes, I have VS Code on here.
App Store. App Visual Studio Code. App
Let me
application.
actually type.
Voice memos. App application.
That's actually the one I want. So all I will simply do here is hit VO space.
Command assignments table.
Now-
32 edited. Option Shift V menu button. Custom commands. Open application. Voice memos menu button. Selected. Edit user command set.
Boom. Perfect. So that's how you add an application command or add a commander to open an application. Really, really useful. I use it. Most of my option key commands are apps, opening apps. Some of them change settings. It just depends what I think is useful here. I will stop interacting here. Okay, I'm not actually interacted.
Add button.
Let me go to the add button.
Command assignments table. Row 1 of 33 edited. None menu button. None menu
actually,
button. Add remove. None
I'm going to hit done.
Edit option key commands button.
Let's go
Both option
to...
also control edit numpad also control option also edit also trackpad commands button. Showing 23
Let me-
of 525 commands.
let's show you how to make a trackpad commander here.
Currently filter column view radio
For
button.
you
1 of 2.
trackpad junkies out there like me, I'm a fan of the trackpad. I like using the keyboard and the trackpad. It just depends what I'm doing.
Table view select command assignments table.
So let's say we wanted a gesture. Let's well, actually, I'll show you.
Add button.
Well, so the same process is the same, except it's just the trackpad gestures here. So,
Command add
excuse
button.
me. Here we go. We'll hit add.
Command assignments table. Row 1 of 24 edited. None menu button. None menu button. Select.
Okay, so it's the same workflow here. So you're gonna hit. I will hit VO space on this command none.
Not editable 3 finger tap.
Oh,
Navigation. Speed
hold
current
on.
Page and scroll area. Edit user commands. Edit user command. Search text current column.
No,
Table
I
news
lost.
selected. Radio
I
button.
lost.
Command
I lost
assignments.
my
Table. Row 8 of 24.
my
Command assignments.
focus
Table. Row 8
here.
of 20. Edited comma. None menu button. Row
None. Here we go.
1. Edited. None menu button.
None. Click on this.
None. Listen for key ellipsis.
And it's the
command
same workflow. You're just going to arrow down to trackpad.
Option key. Quick nav. Numpad. Trackpad. Submenu.
So there's trackpad. I'll hit right arrow.
Trackpad. Submenu. Control. Submenu.
Okay. So now this is going to give you a list, and it's saying control because you can use modifiers like control, option, command, and I think even the shift key as well. You can do that as well with the shift key. I'll hit down arrow.
Option. Submenu.
Option.
Command. Submenu.
All right.
Shift. Submenu.
Yep. I was right. Shift.
Control. Submenu.
We'll do control just to keep it, so you can just follow along. Control is directly to the right of the FN or the globe key, just for your reference. Control is directly to the right of the FN key on the left, and is the directly to the right of the option key on the right side if you have an extended keyboard, but I do not. I don't have a right hand control key, but in this instance we don't need it because I'm going to use the left hand and use my right hand to do this trackpad gesture. So here we go. Let's expand the menu here.
Control submenu. Control flick left.
Okay, now you're going to get a list of gestures you can do here. So I'm going to find the flick up gesture.
Control flick right. Control flick down.
Nope.
Control flick up.
Control flick up. All right, I like that. I'm going to hit that one. That's the one I want.
Edited. No action available menu button. No action available. Control flick up menu button.
Okay, so now I'm going to
Category empty cell.
category empty cell.
Command none menu button.
None. Okay, instead of opening an app, I'm going to have this be a lot more simplistic. So instead of opening an app, I'm going to have it change the speech rate one way. It only works one way. I'd have to add another. Well, I mean, I suppose I could add another a command to decrease it. So let's go in here. Let's see what we've got here.
General
I think it's
navigate text,
under
web, find, tables, size and audio, submit braille, submit visuals, speech,
I
submit
think.
speech, subpauser, decrease rate, increase rate, increase volume, increase rate,
Okay, so
increase rate menu button, menu.
and I
button,
just
cell,
hit VO
channel,
space, and I hit VO right to expand the sub menus. So I'll do this one more time so that I can do this both ways. So we'll
input, not edit command, increase rate menu button.
okay. So we'll stop interacting.
Out of command add.
We'll
button.
hit add. I'm just going to kind of go quickly here,
Command assignments,
quickly-ish.
table, row 1 add button. Command assignments, caps lock on. Caps lock category, input, edited comma, none menu button. None. Listen option, quick nav, numpad, trackpad, submenu, control, subcontrol, flick right. Control flick down.
Okay, control flick down. So swiping down with one finger.
Edited. No action available menu button, no category, empty input. Control flick down menu, category command, none menu button.
Okay, and we'll go in here, and we'll go to the same category,
Audio, braille,
speech.
visuals, speech, submenu, decrease pitch, decrease rate.
Okay, so we'll hit VO space on this,
Decrease rate menu button, cell.
there we go,
alternate items.
and we will stop interacting.
Category, speech, input, edited comma, control flick down menu, edited comma, control flick up menu button.
So there we have our control swipe up and our control swipe down. So here we go, let's stop interacting.
Out of command assignments, table.
Okay, we'll hit done.
Add remove done button. Edit trackpad commands button.
And now, if I hold the control key and flick up, this is what happens.
65%, 70%, 75%, 70%.
And if I flick down...
65 actions menu, one item.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Sorry, hang on.
Edit trackpad commands button.
It
60%.
glitched out on me here.
55, 60%.
So that's how you do it.
65%.
And I keep swiping up and
60%.
down. Boom. That's how you do it. That is how you add commands in the VO utility. Whatever... excuse me. whatever your heart desires, whatever you want to do, whatever command you want it to open an app, you want to open up a file, you want to run an Apple script, you can do it with the keyboard commands, with the trackpad, with the numpad if you have one. That's how you do it, ladies and gents. So I'm going to quit out of the VO utility here by pressing Command Q.
Finder, desktop, Macintosh HD volume.
Okay, and I'm actually... yeah, so that's it, ladies and gents. That is how you add a keyboard command with VoiceOver on Mac OS. This has been Fenris here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're liking these tutorials, please consider dropping a like, comment, subscribing to the channel. I have gameplay mostly on here. I'm going to start doing a lot more of these tutorials. If you like the gameplay, don't worry. I'll be coming back to gameplay. I have some ideas I want to do. Maybe Battlefruit. I have some options here. But I just wanted to do these Mac tutorials. I've been wanting to do these for a long time now. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. This has been Fenris here, and we will see you next time.